How to turn off creator account on Instagram. So basically, if you have a professional or business account and you want to turn it into a personal account or a normal account, the first thing you'll need to do is head to Instagram.com and click on your profile, and then click on the settings wheel on the top. Now you want to open settings and privacy, and then you want to scroll down till you see account types and tools, which is this one right here under for professionals. Click on it and then click on switch to professional account. So this will basically turn your personal into professional. But if you have a professional account already, so you should scroll down till you see creator tools and controls, which is for professionals. Click on it and then click on switch to personal account, and then click on switch to personal account. Then just wait for it to finish switching your account to a personal type. And now, as you can see, your account have been switched to a personal account. Now you can go back and see your profile. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.